Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to turn off or on Zillow notifications. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Zillow.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Zillow if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have the buy, rent, sell, home loans, and find an agent. In the top right corner, we have manage rentals, advertise, help, everything about your profile, and the search bar in the middle. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and turn off or on Zillow notifications. So visit the Zillow website and log into your account, and then click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Select account settings from the drop-down menu, and click on subscriptions. Once the subscription page, you can toggle notifications on or off, and you can also unsubscribe from specific types of notifications by selecting turn off all notifications from the lightbox that appears. On the Zillow app, you can launch the Zillow app on your mobile, tap the profile icon, notifications, and here you can check out push notifications. So you can do either on the website or on the phone. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.